Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last video we saw where Java execution starts, that is inside the main method. Now that we know where code runs, let's understand how Java shows output on the screen. Now let's see why output is important. So when we write program, we need to see what the program is doing, right? So output helps us in check if the logic is correct and debug the mistakes in the program and understand how value changes. So that's why printing output is one of the first things we learn. So what is output in Java? In Java, output simply means displaying the information on the screen. Okay. The most common way to do this is using System.out.println. So I'll quickly write the main method. This line prints hello Java text on the screen. You know this, right? So let's break down this. So here, what is system? System is a built-in Java class. If you hold the mouse here, it will show what it contains. It explains what the system class does. Okay, so system is basically a inbuilt class from Java library, Java lang. You can click on the command. On MacBook I select command. I think in Windows you have to select control and click on system. The system class you can see here. So this is from the package java.lang, and this is the class. You will have all the details and methods here. And what is out here? It's a output stream. So it represents the standard output, which is screen. So here in the system class you can search for the out. So this is the one. So this is the stream, print stream it uses, and inside print stream we have all the print statements. So println is a method. Println, print plus new line, which is prints a value and moves to the next line. So you can go inside this println, which is in print stream, and this is a method, and what it does, it prints the value and it writes the value on the output stream, and then it also adds a new line. So we also have something called print, right? So it print, if you see, it doesn't move to the next line, so there is no code here to move to the next line. We also have something called printf, so used for formatted output. So printf stands for print formatted. Okay, so we mostly use it when we want more control over how the output looks. For example, controlling a decimal value or a formatting text nicely. So here I will show all this print with examples. As you know, the print will print a text without going to the next line. And here if I use Java, it will run hello Java. It is in the same line. When we use println here, then it prints the next line here for the hello, and Java is automatically printed in the next line. So even if you don't give the println here, remember that ln will first print and move to a new line. Okay, let's see how to print multiple lines here. Okay, when we run, if you see everything coming in the same line, so I'll just give ln here everywhere. So added ln to all the print statements, and everything is coming in a different line. Now let's see printf. So for example, you have seen how to print a variable, right? Let's see if double price is some 55,000 some 998, and while printing this println or print, and when we print this price, we get the like this, right? That is 993. For example, I want only this 2 has to be printed here. So what I can do, I can give the format here by giving F. So format printf has two parameters, which is format and arguments. So format I have to give as so for double values we give %f, and we want 0.2 decimals. So after point we need only 2 decimals here. We can do this by printing like this. So if you see, only 99 is printed out of 993. There are multiple formats. So $s we can use, it just takes it as a string here and prints. And then you can also try with d, which is for integers. So here if you see, it says double does not match with the type of format specified d, but still let's try that, and it will throw the error here. So d is not equal to double. Okay, if we give int here, it will work. Okay, so d is for integer. So this is how printf works. Let's see how to print different types of data. Yeah, so we can print variables values directly, so no quotes, double quotes is needed here. So to only add a new line, we can even use println without any variable here. So this will add a new line. Yeah, so we can use a plus operator which joins text with value. So for example, I don't know what this 10 and 50,000, right? So I can use double quotes, age equal to, okay, and add a plus operator. Same here. Okay, when we run this, we'll get age equal to 10 and salary equal to 50. This is called string concatenation. We will see this later when we read about strings. So it basically consider this age and salary as string. Okay, now let's see one example. I have added two integers x and y, and I am printing these two statements x plus y, and I have added something like x plus y equal to x plus y. So pause the video here and guess the output. So if you see, this x plus y gives 30, but whereas this x plus y gives 1020. Here it is printing as it is the x and y, because this x value is converted to string here. So it just consider this as a string here and directly types 10, and here also it will be 20. So it's not adding, it's just printing this 10 and 20. For example, so x plus y for I'll also add double quotes here and a space here. So in this case you can understand, right? X plus y equal to 10 plus 20. Now how do we control it? Like I want x plus y and I don't want the values as it is. So in this case you have to use brackets to control the calculations. For example, if we add these two inside a bracket, here it considers that this is a string, and this bracket will say that use this statement something like this. Okay, so it calculates this first, right? You can see this, right? Now we are getting x plus y equal to 30. So I'll print the same statement 2 times with and without braces. So in the first case it gives 1020, that is 10 and 20. Second case it gives 30. So this is one of the tricky interview question. So printing output is one of the best tools while learning programming. So let's recap what we learned. So we learned System.out.println prints output, and we know what println is a new line, and print same line, and printf is formats the print statement. And also remember this plus operator which will concatenate more than one string. And we covered everything inside this main except this args, right? In the next video we will see what args really means and how we can use it. Thanks for watching.